it indicates specially that Ayush medicines are better than allopathic treatment because the death rate has improved immediately.
Correct.
And whatever information I have, that whether homeopathy or Ayush or other naturopathy and things like that, the death rate is almost negligible.
Namaste, Dhananjay ji. To start with, how do you think has this second wave of COVID-19 virus emerged? If you could let us know something about this new strain of virus.
This type of flu viruses, a different strain is no new thing. Like influenza, every year the strain changes. So the vaccine is effective for only 1 year or so. So new strain is not much this thing. But more importantly, what we are seeing right now is the death rate is reducing every day.
Yeah.
Because initially when in Maharashtra especially, only allopathy or modern medicine was used, the death rate was very high.
Correct.
Like out of 25, one is to die. And and they were not allowed to use Ayush medicine. When uh, when those three bills from Ayush Ministry were introduced, after that it was allowed. I did communicated with Dr. Sanjeev Oak and Shripad Naik, Minister of Ayush, about that. Found out the exact problem and conveyed to each other. But after that, immediately the death rate came to 49 per 1 in Maharashtra. So that's a basic thing that Ayush, it indicates specially that Ayush medicines are better than allopathic treatment because the death rate has improved immediately.
Correct.
And whatever information I have, that whether homeopathy or Ayush or other naturopathy and things like that, the death rate is almost negligible. There are doctors who have treated 700 patients with Ayurveda, 250, 500 patients with homeopathy, more than hundreds of patients with Ayurveda, and no side effects, no death, and even requirement of ventilator was also very negligible, and especially that Panchagavya method, that is, it was head-on tested with allopathic medicine and Panchagavya medicine. Out of 60 patients, 3 died with allopathic treatment only, and no death with Panchagavya treatment in addition.
Okay.
The 99%.
Is there any statistical data to base upon, sir?
Yeah, this was well studied, standardized protocol were observed, proper permission, and that data is there on the Ayush Ministry website. But no modern medicine index journal was ready to publish that data. Correct. That is more important. They are not ready to accept this. They talk about double blind, this, that. But when you do accordingly and prove that this is better, then they are not ready to accept it.
Correct.
This entire affair, this entire corona affair is blown because of ego, fear, and selfishness.
The current situation.
This is weird, but it is true. Current situation is not grim.
Yeah, current situation in some of these states is horrifying, sir. So who do you think is at fault? The system or the society?
That's what I'm saying. Ego, fear, and selfishness is at fault. See, people are not at fault. because when we talk about intelligent quotient, it's an average.
Mm-hmm.
So there are always dumb people and extra wise people.
Yeah.
So people are going to behave like that. You explain them many times, but they will still behave like by their habits. So they cannot be blamed. System where the ego problem came, the problem started.
Mm-hmm.
There are 25 type of method, 25 methods of treatment I know.
Okay.
I know, that's all. I'm not expert on that, but
Okay.
I know. And every method has its own strength and weaknesses. Like allopathy, antibiotics is their biggest strength.
Mm-hmm.
And conditions like septicemia, etc., you cannot do it by any other method. But regular minor infections, homeopathy or Ayurveda can treat easily. And when it comes to virus, Ayurveda with the Siddha, Unani, etc., are
Mm-hmm.
treating viral infections for decades, centuries,
Correct.
and they are tested on lakhs of patients, of generations of patients.
It's
It's
the
not
root of it's the root
it is
of the
not
Indian culture.
tested. No, not only Indian culture. It's in German, Europe, everywhere these methods were used.
Okay.
And they are tested on generations and lakhs of people, and for generations these medicines are tested. It's not like that we tested a large sample of 2,000 patients and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
And especially when homeopathic medicines are tested, the effects of those medicines are so minutely described and noted
Correct.
that no other pathy has done that. Means now today, just I was listening to a video that suddenly in Nagpur, the fungus formation in teeth, 10 patients have found that they, after corona, they develop fungus formation.
Mm-hmm.
Homeopathy, they check the medicine so thoroughly that if the doctor asks you, have you seen a black cat in the dream? Very weird question. When patient says yes, because those particular medicine symptoms are one sees a black cat in the dream.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you your smell in your armpit is horrible, and nobody smells goes
The
and
armpit,
smells in the
correct.
armpit. But in that particular medicinal symptom, the smell of the armpit is horrible because of the sweat. Now,
Oh.
such minor studies are done in homeopathy,
Mm-hmm.
and you can't just discard it. It is unscientific.
Correct.
The scientific is a very andhashraddha word. If you study modern physics, you will wonder whether it is you are talking about some Puranic scriptures or science fiction or physics.
Mm-hmm.
It is much beyond the people who are thinking that they are scientific.
So you have been
For
firm
example,
on, yeah, you have been firm upon the homeopathic way of treatment. So would you like to tell us about the Arsenicum album and its role as on today?
yeah, actually, I am not the promoter of arsenic. I am just the promoter of arsenic
Mm-hmm.
album.
Yeah.
It is basically recommended by Ayush Ministry. Ayush Ministry has recommended Arsenicum album 30 for homeopathic, as a homeopathic medicine remedy, preventive remedy. This Ayush Kada for Ayurvedic, similarly for Siddha and Unani, for 4 methods, they have provided 4 different medicines. I have no objection or no grudges against any other thing. Actually, when initially it was started, the Dr. Gatne was in charge of Pune. He is an Ayurvedic doctor. So he will prefer Kada. But first report of Gujarat when they tested arsenic and Kada both, what they found that 3 patients out of some 14 or something, 3 patients who were given Kada were found positive because their 7 days course was not completed.
Okay.
Others who had completed 7 days Kada course or 3 days arsenic course, they were negative.
Okay.
So then preparing Kada, mixing the ingredients. Now, when it was given to people, they added clove instead of 1 clove, or there was no clove accordingly, I think. But they added clove also because some other WhatsApp talked about clove.
Yeah.
So it started affecting their liver. And preparing Kada and taking all that, instead, and for 7 days, people took it for 1 month also. Arsenic was much better because the course was 3 days. They are small pills, that too sweet pills, sugar pills.
Yeah.
So even children will not will
Easy
also take
yeah.
it. Easy to take,
Yeah.
and there is no rejection about the test because of the test and all that.
Correct.
And very cheap. Actually, pharma companies will always consider their profit, etc., etc. But the material cost is hardly 2 rupees per family.
Okay.
2 or 3 rupees per family.
Okay.
They are available for 10 rupees. The bigger bottles are available for 30 rupees, 100
30
rupees.
rupees. Yeah.
You can store them for 1 year and use it again even today if they are stored in a cool, dark place. So the sun rays, heat, and moisture. These are the only thing adverse does affect the medicine adversely. Otherwise, it's good.
Yeah.
You can use it next year also, this year also, again next year also. Now, present spread of this thing has got 2-3 reasons. One is initially when the pandemic started, it was mostly in Pune, it was in middle class. In Mumbai, it was in
lower community.
Lower class.
Yeah.
Jhopadpatis and all that. And they have already developed herd immunity. Now, all the patients who are hidden in their house, I am old age, I am diabetic, I am heart problem, so I am high risk patient. So even the children force their parents in the house. So they were not exposed.
Correct.
Those were wandering on the road, minor infections. Forget about these 6. I have strong belief that even this virus is in the air because micro droplets micro droplets are always there in the air. Along with moisture, there is a wet moisture. Micro droplets are also there, and they can very well hide into it and roam throughout the world.
Yeah.
Because the worst condition was on a ship. 35 days after travel, all the ship members developed corona.
Oh, where did this happen, sir? If you could
that means it was in the air, and some stream of air went there.
Yeah.
No, the death rate of Mumbai was also higher because of the high density.
Yeah.
When you go to the hospital, you are in that air-conditioned room. The same virus is rolling there again and again. That air must get sanitized every time, na?
Correct.
Otherwise, the dose increase, virus load increases.
Yeah.
And whereas in rural area, the virus load was distributed because population density was less. Now, when these people were relaxed and came out because vaccine has come, so they went to the vaccine station. Their situation was horrible. There's a rush and all that. But another important thing that whether it is homeopathic nosode or allopathy vaccine, after taking it, you are bound to develop corona-like symptoms.
Yeah.
The nosode may give you a one-day fever, but after vaccine, people have suffered with corona symptoms for 4 days, 1 day, 4 days, 7 days. Even one person is a doctor is suffering for even after taking second dose,
Yes.
is suffering for 2 months.
There have been cases that after COVID
Yeah.
vaccines also people have developed
So
the virus.
all those people who are added, taken vaccine, and they found that after taking vaccine, I have developed corona. They also tested themselves.
Yeah.
And what is your test? It is on the, whether it is on the bulgum or you are taking it, the sample from the bulgum. If the virus has not reached the skin, it will appear in the bulgum, but
Correct.
not in the body. So appearing it in the bulgum and appearing into the body are two different things. And when that relaxation took place, after 1 year has happened, now cases are much less and vaccine has come, so we are safe. That relaxation came to the people, which is natural. And after that, this is actually is a phase of, according to what I think is, this is a phase of herd immunity into middle class.
Do you really think, sir, vaccines are coming to rescue the society? People are taking vaccines, but they have developed the symptoms, as you said rightly. So do you think it is really coming to rescue the society?
See, when it came to Ebola, Ebola was so dangerous that you touch a person and both will die. And if that person touches other person before dying, they will develop. So there, the vaccine came within just after second trial was over. Who allowed that vaccine to be used? Because this was the death case. Now, why it was done when the 4 stages were not completed? Because it's a life and death condition. So you cannot go by standard rules. So similarly, in our Indian this thing, or throughout the world, other Ayush medicines or other preventive Ayush medicines and Ayush medicines or treatment should have been used. You cannot say, no, whatever tools available you have, you should have used it. But there the ego problem came in. Homeopathy is not scientific. Ayurveda, what is Ayurvedic Jhadapala?
That really happened, yeah.
Recently, when that Ayush bill came, one of my very senior and intelligent doctor friend, what is this? अभी आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर ऑपरेशंस करेगा? This level, ego of this level. See, your first plastic surgery is well known by Sushruta. It was a centuries-old fellow. Surgery was performed by basically these surgeons, and they were Ayurvedic surgeons. You know the word scapegoat. What is that?
Scrapboard.
When the patient was operated in Western countries, they have no sedatives with them. So they used to scrape a goat. So used to cry. So the cries of the patients were not heard by the other people. That was a scapegoat. In India, this was not this thing, because they were knowing many medicines to tranquilize the patient before operation. They may not be as effective as today's medicines, but they were also effective. They used to give some partial anesthesia, something like that. So you cannot just say because Ayurvedic, how can they operate? This is ego. And this is negligence in their part, because their understanding of scientificness is wrong. See, for example, I will give you an example. Like Adar Poonawala, he said, we have already started manufacturing the vaccine because we know for sure that this is going to work. Here, in any scientific way, this statement, the project must be stopped because it's a bias.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's going to work. So if you get any adverse indications, you are
Mm-hmm.
going to neglect. So this is bias. And this bias is heavy, not acceptable in any scientific field.
Yeah.
Even in physics experiment, there is bias.
Mm-hmm.
The medical you can understand, but
Yeah.
even physics, there are bias. There are experimental bias also. And so when you have bias, it is fail.
So do you think this bias and
But
this kind?
still, whatever he says, he was saying on the basis that this is the method, so it is going to work. So he produced the vaccine, started production, he took the risk, fine. But when we don't have any other resources, when we don't have other solid evidence about nothing, in emergencies, you have to use it.
Ji, ji.
When is a war-like situation or anything, you have to use all the resources.
Correct.
So when we talk about all the resources, when you give concessions for allopathic medicines like hydroxychloroquine, no,
Ji.
in emergency we can hydroxychloroquine. Then why not arsenic?
Correct.
Why not homeopathic medicine? Why not Ayurvedic medicine? That's the problem.
Trust is the issue, I guess, sir.
No trust, it is ego and selfishness. See, homeopathy doctors and Ayurvedic doctors know that they have medicine for viral infection. Allopathic doctors know, modern doctors know they don't have medicine or treatment for virus.
Ji.
So they say when we don't have, even they don't have.
Oh.
That is not scientific. You verify it,
Ji.
check it. This Panchagavya people, they did it. They head on. 60 patients were given only allopathic medicine. What were those medicines? Vitamin C, vitamin D. Is this medicine?
No.
The other 60 people were given vitamin C, vitamin D, and Gomutra and other this thing. And nobody died. They were 57% patients were negative on the third day, whereas in vitamin C, D, only 27% patients were negative on the third day. And rest, all of them, with only allopathy, rest of them were negative, positive till 14 to 15 days.
Oh.
And most of them went for ventilator.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas out of this 60, only one patient went for ventilator for 13 days and was positive for 13 days. And that homeopathy also, out of 100, one goes for ventilator.
Correct.
And next day he's okay. So, and the worst part of this virus is the coagulation of the blood.
Mm-hmm.
Clots in the blood. That is the worst part of it. And the another is inflammation in the chest for that ground glass syndrome.
Mm-hmm.
These are the two dangerous parts of it.
Sir, forgetting about the comparisons, how do you see modern medicine working in India at present? Forgetting the comparison, the bias, the ego, everything.
The fear. See, in arsenic, one symptom is fear like anything. Means now everything is finished. That level of finish is a symptom of arsenic. And when arsenic is given, that fear goes away.
Okay.
Fear and stress. It increases your sugar levels and reduces your immunity.
Mm-hmm.
Fear, marketing by fear is a trend in today's world.
जी.
It's not a positive approach. You take this and you will feel better. That is not the approach.
Hmm.
If you don't take this, you will die or you will become worse. That is the approach.
Mm-hmm.
So fear is the only problem.
It's about creating and not creating the panic, right?
Creating the panic, and without us, you don't have survivor.
Mm-hmm.
Means this is. I'm not talking. I don't want to talk about the malpractices, but still, they really feel that without modern medicine, there cannot be any other
solution.
method.
Yeah.
Like when recently one old Ayurvedic fellow gave me an idea about pomelo.
Hmm.
You eat one pomelo in a standing position at a time, and the bile improves, and the pain and other symptoms vanish, and eventually the stones get dissolved. It worked on practically everybody. Rarely some people were having some problem, but doctors were saying, you need operation. But there are medicines, and why operation? Operation is the last resort in any treatment.
Hmm. जी.
God has given us a beautiful body. Why we should cut it? When the body itself can solve most of the problems.
Mm-hmm.
Like Vivekananda once said, allopathic or modern medicines, people get cured.
जी.
But with Ayurvedic, the rate of cure is more because the Ayurvedic medicines are natural.
Hmm.
The rate of cure is more with homeopathy because homeopathy makes the body in nature to heal. Our body can heal ourselves. Only homeopathy triggers the right points and body heals.
जी.
And then finally he said, the therapy of faith, Vishwas,
Hmm.
100% cure. Nobody tries it because you are afraid. I cannot cure myself. I need medicine. Then who? His medicine. Then only I will. In this pandemic, even allopathic doctor, modern medicine doctors gave arsenic to the patient and patient threw it away out of the window.
Strange.
This is not scientific. That who told you it is not scientific? Actually, the homeopathic medicine, their tests and validation is absolutely perfect, and no so-called scientific person can deny this is not scientific.
जी.
All these double blind, they do it very well, but we just don't want to accept it because the highest percentage people go to allopathy,
Allopathy.
then Ayurveda, then who has got the least number, it goes for homeopathy.
They
So they are
come to homeopathy.
Why? But this is a hype created for allopathy,
Yeah.
and they don't give credit to technocrats. Today's modern medicine is not possible without technocrats, without
जी.
technology.
जी.
The stethoscope is given by us technocrats to the doctors. Today your ventilators and everything, ECG, ENG, EMG, everything is made by technocrats. Your nuclear medicine is not possible without computers. Your
Correct.
genome detection, etc., are not possible because of computers. But these people are not good. There was a report in Times of India many years ago.
Yeah.
This explained the ecosystem of allopaths.
Oh.
The heading was that of that article was medical faculty people live longest amongst all the faculties except that of engineering.
Oh.
What they were hiding? Engineers live longer than doctors.
Yeah.
Why? Doctors have a way of thinking, engineers have another way of thinking. When doctor tells about something, engineer adds his way of thinking and he responds in a better way.
Yeah.
So engineers live longer and they are doing physical activities also, which except surgeon doctors don't much, they have to go extra for physical activity.
Mm-hmm.
Now, why this ego? Why can't you accept that engineers live longest? Why do you want to say doctors live longest except that of engineering?
Mm-hmm.
This attitude that we are great, we are the topmost people, this ego they should leave. Other paths are also advantages, other paths are also disadvantages. Your pathy also has advantages and disadvantages.
Correct.
Why can't we combine it with the way China did it? When Mao Zedong came to power, he had promised health to all. He has only 2,000 modern medicine doctors and lakhs of barefoot doctors like acupuncturists. So he combined them together. Now you go to China's hospital, to a doctor, he will offer you that according to diagnosis, you have such and such disease. The chances of you developing, you getting cured with acupuncture are per so much percent and so much time. Allopathic medicine, so much percent, so much time. Then the patient has a choice whether to go for allopathic medicine or acupuncture method. Why can't we integrate it in India?
So working together is the option you see.
Yeah. Arsenic album, when we did the propaganda, all the political parties, all the social workers, all the social organization, even a common man, जेब में से 1,000 रुपया निकाला, गोली लिया, बांटा. Even a common man spends from his pocket and distributed arsenic album.
Yeah.
In Sangli, only one ward, Rashtrapati Congress corporator distributed arsenic. When there was a flare-up in Sangli, except that ward, there was a flare-up. That ward was calm. Khasdar Arvind Samant of Maharashtra, he also said in Lok Sabha that wherever arsenic was distributed, the percentage of COVID patients is very less.
Yeah.
What you have to, now again, Government of India, Ayush Department said, you take 3 pills every morning for 3 days per month. Karnataka government, Maharashtra government, they were versions of it. They said, no, you take morning and night for 2 days and something like that. Every state had different orders.
Yeah.
So what can we do? We can say only what central government has said. Karnataka order is different. Maharashtra government order is different. In Gujarat, government was giving it free, but people were not knowing it. That arsenic is available or kada is available to us in government medical shops for free. This was not propagated. It was not promoted. It was not told to people by social media or government media. So people were not knowing that this is available.
Yeah.
So that is there where the system goes wrong.
Sir, if there were no vaccines, getting hypothetical at present, if there were no vaccines at all, so what would have been the situation? Would it have been worse or it's worse right now? What do you think?
First thing, the homeopathic vaccines were available since last April. And even today, they have no permission to use it.
Okay.
They are done after a lot of pressure. After 6 months, they were given animal trial permission.
जी.
Even then, human trial permission. Now lasts for 6 months. Everything is ready, but government is not giving permission. Now, who is the man not to give permission to homeopathic nosode and giving permission to allopathic
Allopathy.
nosode? But whereas homeopathy, actually, there is no virus inside. Allopathic, there is a different virus and different RNA molecule
जी.
that you are allowing. And when that medicine, when you say it is a placebo effect and this and that, what is placebo effect? Also, people get cured. No, let them
Correct.
cure.
Correct.
So homeopathy vaccine, that is called nosode, it can be used for treatment also.
Okay.
It can be used as a prevention. It can be used in the treatment also.
Okay.
But they are not allowed. So whether this condition has happened or made to happen, till our vaccines doesn't come, nothing should happen. Is it the case?
No.
And what does the vaccine does? Vaccine trains the body to fight the disease.
Yeah.
It is not antibiotic. Body cells can also kill bacteria,
जी.
and antibiotic kills the bacteria. So it's an aid to the body to fight the disease. That antibiotic will kill most of the bacteria, so body will have to take care of very little leftovers.
जी.
But in virus, there is no, like antibody, there is no antivirus which can kill the virus.
Yeah.
So body has to be trained to fight the vaccine. Now their statistics says 20% people cannot develop viral infection. 60% people can get affected, but they will get cured without any symptom. 15% people will definitely get develop symptoms.
This is the vaccine
And 5
statistics we are talking about.
No. This is the effect of coronavirus
Okay.
or viral infection, not vaccine.
Okay.
5% people are such that if they get infected, not only they will develop symptoms, but they can become serious, and it can be life-threatening. Whether you, after taking virus vaccine, whether you get corona or not is not the question. After getting vaccine, whatever treatment you get, the body develops immunity that helps that the person who has taken vaccine is less likely to die. So we are saving those 5% people from death by using vaccine.
Okay.
But at the same time, you have other medicines also, other treatments, form of treatments are also available.
जी.
If you use that, today's condition would not have come.
Correct.
If you don't allow it even today, things are going to be like this. But the virus, as it is, it is from air. So everybody has developed some immunity. They have, even you and me must have from the breeze, some virus might have gone to our body. They have reached our skin and body has taken. Because before those viruses grow to a longer this thing, they also have cycle times to expand.
Yeah.
If the dose is bigger, they will expand faster. Dose is smaller, they will expand less. That is what your CT value comes in.
जी.
So that is how you develop the herd immunity.
Sir,
so next year, this April, corona is there. Middle class will develop. Again next year, in maybe April, there will be corona patients in number increase, but it will be like 7 days sick leave. Next year, it may be like just 2 days sick leave. That's all.
Yeah.
The body will develop the resistance and effect of that virus, whether it is a modified strain or this, you will not have problems. And even other than medical this thing, even we technocrats can develop some technology whereby the virus, dust, all these things in the this thing can be reduced.
Are
You
kept
know,
aside.
ultraviolet rays is one way, but our houses don't get exposed to ultraviolet. So there are many technical, other than medical also, there are things which technocrats control, but they are not considered an engineer. Our Maharashtra Health Minister is an engineer. That's a good luck. It's a good luck because he thinks a different way. Doctors has a view, engineer has another view. Because their thinking methodology are different. Because body doesn't work like an engine. It's a live thing. And machine works in a different way. So their viewpoints are different. So together both are mutually beneficial. So other experts also consider. And main problem is, I have got elected. I got elected, so I know everything. Nobody should teach me. If that ego takes place, nothing can help. If you are afraid, your immunity is bound to go, sugar is bound to go up, immunity is bound to do, irrespective of whether you are diabetic or not. A non-diabetic sugar also increases with tension and fear, and immunity goes down. So you have to get rid of this fear, and arsenic just does that. Other than Kerala has already proved that CD4, CD3, CD4, CD8, leukocytes, and fear factor all are upregulated by arsenic. So just start distributing arsenic. Forget about the lockdown and other things. It's not necessary.
But we see,
lockdown is not the solution.
We
you have to develop the herd immunity, whether by vaccine or by exposure. You have to develop herd immunity. Unless you develop herd immunity, you cannot contain this virus. Virus will not vanish. Man cannot vanish. The cockroach cannot vanish. So virus also cannot vanish. It has to stay. It's part of the ecosystem. Ecology.
Sir, but we see a lower acceptance to the homeopathic solutions and Ayurvedic, the Bharatiya way of treatment, we can say. So what do you expect the government to do on this front?
We'll have to go back to Macalo. We have to go back to Macalo, what he did. Oldest bridge is built in India, when nobody was knowing how to build bridge, and that is still there for more than 2,000 years. So ours is bad, theirs is good. This basic, what Dr. Kalam said, that is what we have to follow. Forget our ancient things. Think today. What Kalam says, we have to develop a technology 50 years ahead of today. Then only we will come ahead of people. But our scientists follow and try to acquire the technology developed by Western world. We have to develop our own technology, and people laugh. That's not the way. That attitude has to be changed. And that attitude you can change only by education.
Thank you, Dhananjay sir, for joining in today and giving these beautiful insights about homeopathic way of treatment. I really hope the situation and some of these states like Maharashtra, Delhi gets under control soon, and people get back to the at least consider the homeopathic.
It has already started.
Yeah.
It will come down within a week. It is already flattened. The rate of new patients, that rate has stabilized. So within 7 days, it will start coming down. It may
Let's
take 1
hope.
month or 2 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Last time twice it has happened like this only. It is bound
Correct.
to happen like this.
जी.
It is bound to happen. There is no